Hi everyone, I'm Bridget. I'm from the US. I love learning languages, and right now I'm preparing for a trip to Cambodia. And I have spent the last week learning as much Khmer, the language spoken in Cambodia, as possible. I ended up taking 6 lessons in the span of a week. Going into this, I hadn't even heard the language spoken before. I couldn't have told you what it sounded like, let alone know how to say hello or goodbye or thank you or anything. And I really can't remember the last time, if ever, that I've dabbled in a language having had absolutely zero experience or familiarity with it. So this has been a very interesting experience overall. And also, because I was cramming for my trip and was pretty frazzled in general, I only took these lessons and I did not study in between the lessons. I didn't watch any YouTube videos or anything. So I feel like the footage that I'm about to show is a very accurate representation showing my progress from one lesson to the next. So watching it back, it's kind of neat to see where I started and where I ended up. So here's that footage now, and I've broken it down by lesson so you can see the progress as I go.
So it seems like you have never learned it before.
No, I don't know one single word.
So we can start from scratch, yeah. So to greet people, we have 2 words for hello. We have the casual and the formal. Suasday.
Suasade.
Excellent. Now, since it's casual, you don't have any special gesture. And the formal one, this is for when you want to be really respectful. Chumrip Sua.
Jomrip Sua.
How are you? Is Sok Sabai Te.
Sok Sabaite.
Now let's practice that. Let me ask you. Sok Sabai?
Sok Sabai.
Very good. Okay, now let's practice. Chumrip Sua.
Ja Jomrip Sua.
Sok Sabai Te.
Sok Sabai. Akun. Jobong Vin.
Kim Sok Sabai Dai.
Sabai Ban Jubong.
Excellent. Well on that.
That was so interesting. Sok Sabai. I'm like kind of giddy. I'm excited to keep going.
Susdai Brit.
Susadai.
ខ្ញុំស្រីមុំ
Knyom Bridget.
ល្អ Bridget, when you come to Cambodia, it's so annoying. The tuk-tuk call you. So the tuk-tuk will follow you. Tuk-tuk, madam, tuk-tuk. The way that stop them, you just only say, no, thank you, and speak in Khmer. And then they stop to follow you. So when you say no, ate.
Ate.
Oh, no, thank you. Ate bong, akun.
Ate Bong Akun.
Bridget, let's test it because most of my students, when they come and then they do like this, the tuk-tuk driver not follow them anymore. Tuk-tuk, madam, go to Royal Palace. Tuk-tuk, madam.
Ate Bong Akun.
Rachel, I feel like you can speak Khmer because your accent is so clear.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you so much. We say, អរគុណច្រើនបង
Akun Tran
អរ
Bong.
គុណច្រើន So speak, we say និយាយ
Niye.
So I speak a little, we say tik tik. So when I say I speak Khmer a little,
Knom Niye Khmai Titi. So if someone asks me, do you speak Khmer, would they say Bong Niye Khmer? Or
Or you speak Khmer? ចាភាសាខ្មែរ we say បងបងចេះនិយាយខ្មែរចេះនិយាយខ្មែរអត់ចេះនិយាយខ្មែរអត់ចេះ
What
ចេះ
is-
ហ្នឹង I mean do you know how to speak ខ្មែរ
Oh, okay.
អូបងចេះនិយាយខ្មែរបងចេះនិយាយខ្មែរ you know how to speak
Titi.
អត់ទេបងចេះនិយាយខ្មែរច្រើន
Knom Niye Khmai Titi.
សួស្ដីអ្នកឈ្មោះអី
Susadai. Knyom Bridget.
ល្អខ្ញុំ Bridget, can you ask me
Bong Chmoai.
ឈ្មោះ
Chmo. Bong Chmoai.
ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះស្រីមុំ
Sabai Jet Job Srei Mom.
អូសប្បាយចិត្តជួប Bridget អូ Bridget ចេះនិយាយខ្មែរ
Titi. Knyom Niye Anglais.
អូ Bridget និយាយខ្មែរល្អ
Akundran.
Yeah, and then you say goodbye លាហើយណាចា goodbye លាហើយ
Lia hi.
but លាហើយ in here is mean informal but for goodbye for formal ជម្រាបលា Sometimes you hear Cambodia, we have 2 words Cambodia ណាចា Cambodia we say កម្ពុជា and you hear ខ្មែរខ្ញុំមកពីកម្ពុជាខ្ញុំនិយាយខ្មែរខ្ញុំ I like Khmer food I am Khmer I speak Khmer so you hear Campuchia Campuchia is the name of the country
So knyom Khmer, like I am Khmer.
Kim Khmer yeah I am Khmer
Why is Khmer spelled with ER?
because we under the French colony almost 100 years. That's why we influence some of the, even though we write like this, but our pronunciation French. We still have the influence from French. Lehigh Bridget.
Lihai. Okay. Akun Lihai. I think I'm getting the hang of it. Some of that was reinforcement, review. Some of that was new. There was a moment there when she was talking that I was actually understanding what she was saying. Like, she was saying full sentences. Do you speak Khmer? What's your name? And like, I was instinctively knowing what she was saying, which is exciting. I have another class tomorrow. Knom nie Khmer titit.
นั่นនេះសិស្សសួស្ដីខ្ញុំសុខសប្បាយអរគុណអរគុណនេះ thank you ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះសុកអ្នកឈ្មោះអីខ្ញុំឈ្មោះចនខ្ញុំមកពីប្រទេសអាមេរិក See they put the word ប្រទេស in
What does prote again come from?
country
Oh, country. Prote.
ប្រទេសអាមេរិក You can say អាមេរិក or ប្រទេសអាមេរិក
Knyom mukpi prote Amerik.
តែខ្ញុំមកពីប្រទេសអាមេរិក
So today, sok sabai day.
សួស្ដីអូនខ្ញុំសុខសប្បាយអរគុណ
Knyom chua Bridget. Bong chua I.
ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះដានីខ្ញុំមកពីប្រទេសកម្ពុជាប្រជាតមកពីប្រទេសណា
Knyom mukpi Amerik.
សប្បាយចិត្តជួបប្រជាត
Sabai chit chua bong dai. Lihai.
នេះហើយ
Lihai.
ចានេះធ្ងន់អ្នកកំពុងញ៉ាំអីញ៉ាំ eat when you put កំពុង with verb it become ing it's like now present tense
Like, what are you
កំពុង
eating?
yeah what are you eating yeah this one what are you eating អ្នកកំពុងញ៉ាំអី
Knyom kampong nyam pizza.
okay good ចាខ្ញុំកំពុងញ៉ាំ pizza okay repeat after me ញ៉ាំ
Nyam.
ម្ហូបខ្មែរ
Mahob Khmer.
ចាម្ហូបខ្មែរខ្មែរ food if you want to say Thai food ម្ហូបថៃម្ហូបវៀតណាម
Mahob Thai. Mahob Khmer.
okay and then want ចង់
Jong.
ចាចង់ទៅ
Tao.
ផ្សារ
Psa.
ទៅផ្សារ
Tao. Do you pronounce... There's a V there. Do you pronounce a V?
យ៉ាទៅ
Is it a U? Tao.
is the consonant ត and then with the vowel អូ
Tao.
យ៉ាទៅ yeah correct ទៅ
ទៅ
like that ឃ្លានចាឃ្លានទេ are you hungry ចាខ្ញុំឃ្លាន
Knyom Kien.
ដើរ
Dao.
ដើរអូខេដើរ
Akun dran.
អរគុណច្រើន
Knyom Maupi Brute Amerik. Knyom Klien. Mahob Khmer. I don't know what I'm saying.
សួស្ដី Bridget
Saturday.
អ្នកឈ្មោះអី
Knyom Chmua Bridget.
អូសួស្ដី Bridget អូ Bridget ចេះនិយាយខ្មែរល្អ
Knyom nie Khmer titit.
ខ្ញុំចេះនិយាយអង់គ្លេសតិចតិចចេះនិយាយអង់គ្លេសអត់
Ja, Knyom nie Anglais.
អូបារាំងនិយាយអង់គ្លេសល្អទុកទុក Madam ទុកទុក Madam
Ate bang akun. Ate bang akun.
ល្អណាចាល្អ
Bong che nie Anglais.
អត់ចេះខ្ញុំអត់ចេះនិយាយអង់គ្លេសខ្ញុំចេះនិយាយខ្មែរ So Don is a negative we say art please turn left
Som botchwang.
please turn right
Som botstam.
go we say ទៅ
Do.
ត្រង់
Trang.
go straight
Tao trong.
I go Cambodia
Knyom tàu Campuchia.
ល្អstop បងឈប់and then you stop and you need to learn here and there ណាទីនេះ
Tini.
បង stop here
Bong. Chop tini.
ល្អ hey I am here
Knyom tini.
ចា there ទីនោះ
Tinu. So tini. Tinu.
ល្អ what mean នេះ it mean this so when you say what is this ណា remember
Niai.
ល្អ Wow you're fast learner Bridget បងនេះអី
Ni ai?
Wait a little បងចាំតិចចាំតិចចាំតិច
Jamtit. Sum jamtit.
Yeah when you tuk and then you wait your friend then tuk សុំចាំតិចអរគុណ Bridget តាលីហើយ
I'm so tired, my brain.
How much we say ប៉ុន្មាន
Panman.
ល្អបងប៉ុន្មាន
Bong.
Panman.
Panman.
ល្អណា and we go Cambodia we use the two currency real and dollar right so because of the real is a lot of the number so to make sure that you get a simple number like this you can ask បងប៉ុន្មានដុល្លារ
Panman dollar.
so again how much dollar
Bong. Panman dollar.
អូ3ដុល្លារបង3ដុល្លារ what I mean
$3.
This how much
Ni Panman.
Yeah ចា like បងនេះប៉ុន្មានដុល្លារ10ដុល្លារបង10ដុល្លារ10ដុល្លារ
$10.
10ដុល្លារ Yeah check how many people they say ប៉ុន្មានអ្នក in here is a classify for counting the people for example one people one people or two people មួយអ្នកពីរអ្នកបីអ្នក I take this one I remember I
Knyom.
Yeah ខ្ញុំ take we say យក
Yok.
មកខ្ញុំយកមួយនេះ this one this បងខ្ញុំយកមួយនេះ5ខ្ញុំយកមួយនេះ2 Bridget let's order បងញ៉ាំកាហ្វេ
Jack. Knyom yok cappuccino. Cafe cappuccino. Moi.
ចាកាពូឈីណូមួយចា
Oat mien
ស្
skor.
ករញ៉ាំ
Oat mien skor.
អត់មានស្ករអូចាបង3ដុល្លារបង
$3.ល្អ.
ចា
ល្អ
ចា3ដុល្លារចា3ដុល្លារ and then you pay ណា pay bill គិតលុយ
Get lui.
the English they say pay bill Cambodia they say calculate the money because Cambodia normally use cash a lot that's why the people always say calculate the money oh not get I say គិតណាចា I'm afraid to say get គិត it means to calculate លុយ money បង pay bill how much how you say
Bong. Get lui. Bon man.
yeah then they say បងចាំតិច
Jamtit. Hold on a
បង
second.
ចាំand I know in America they like to say sign or something like this you can use the people understand but Cambodia we like to say បងគិតលុយ this is a symbol of pay bill
Get lui.
like all not like this like all of this how much
Bong. Get lui.
ល្អ like when the waitress far away from you and they say បង and then they look at you
Get lui.
and then they don't need to count they don't need to count they go to the invoice come for you អរគុណ Bridget អរគុណលាហើយចាលាហើយ
This is hard, but we gotta keep going. I do feel like I'm sort of getting into the flow of it, but let's hope it sticks.
so sad
So today.
I want to ask you 5 questions ភាសាខ្មែរទុក madam ទុក go to Royal Palace madam
Ajay-kun.
អូយនិយាយខ្មែរ
I did it.
បងចេះនិយាយខ្មែរបងឈ្មោះអី
Knyom chmua Bridget.
បងញ៉ាំកាហ្វេអត់ ញ៉ាំកាហ្វេ
Jasum.
អូចាសុំណចាកាហ្វេញ៉ាំស្ករប៉ុន្មានភាគរយស្ករ
Oat mien skor.
អត់មានស្ករចាអត់មានស្ករ Vijay how you say what is this
Nie.
នេះអី how much
Bon man.
ល្អ
Bon man. Bon dollar.
ប៉ុន្មានដុល្លារ10ដុល្លារបង10ដុល្លារ10ដុល្លារចា10ដុល្លារបង
Bon odd.
អូអត់ទេបងអត់ទេ $6 បង$6 $6 ចាបង
ល្អ
ចា$6 ល្អ How you say menu they say I take this one I take this one 5 I take this one 6
ខ្ញុំយកមួយនេះ5ខ្ញុំយកមួយនេះ1
ចាអូអរគុណចាំតិចបងចាំតិច Pay bill
គិតលុយ
ចាបងគិតលុយចាគិតលុយអរគុណច្រើនអរគុណបងអរគុណ
អរគុណច្រើន
Can you introduce yourself
ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ Bridget
អូចា
ខ្ញុំមកពីអាមេរិកខ្ញុំជានិយាយខ្មែរតិច
អូនិយាយច្រើន
Okay.
Cambodia we like to say like I go to street 63 near the main place like near the bank ខ្ញុំទៅផ្លូវ63ចិត្តហាងកាហ្វេ near the coffee shop something like this ចិត្ត For example like I go to street 51 near coffee shop near Starbucks coffee shop how you say
ខ្ញុំទៅផ្លូវ
ចា
51ចិត្តហាងកាហ្វេ Starbucks
ល្អវិជីតាចូលចិត្តកាហ្វេក្តៅ remember ក្តៅ hot yeah you know about the weather too when you come ក្តៅកម្ពុជាក្តៅល្អក្តៅ Okay the English they say hot coffee ភាសាខ្មែរនិយាយ coffee hot
កាហ្វេក្តៅ
you need to translate the language ចាបងកាហ្វេក្តៅមួយ Yeah you can say កាហ្វេក្តៅមួយ I go to American Bakery Street 51 How much
Okay ខ្ញុំទៅហាងនំប៉័ងអាមេរិកផ្លូវ51ប៉ុន្មាន How do you say
So when you
I don't understand
understand យល់
ខ្ញុំអត់យ
So
ល់
ល្អខ្ញុំអត់យល់
សុំទោស
បង
ខ្ញុំអត់យល់
Yeah ល្អសុំទោសខ្ញុំអត់យល់បងខ្ញុំអត់យល់
How do you say chicken
អូ yeah chicken សាច់មាន់
សាក់មាន់
Bridget please order
បងខ្ញុំយកមួយនេះមួយ
ចាសាច់អីបងញ៉ាំសាច់អីបងញ៉ាំសាច់អី
សាក់មាន់
អូសាច់មាន់ចាញ៉ាំសាច់មាន់ចា please enjoy your trip
អរគុណច្រើន
អរគុណ Bridget enjoy your trip
Thank you
លាហើយ
So here we are 7 days later, and I think overall, I'm pretty well equipped to handle some interactions that I know I'm going to have in Cambodia. I don't feel that I have a very deep understanding of the language. I don't know if this approach is the best way to really learn Khmer, given that I'm preparing for very specific interactions. Maybe I'm not getting all of the components of the language down in the way that I would if I were truly trying to learn a language. But again, in general, I think that I've accomplished my goals. So the next 1 to 2 videos will be more vlog style, showing me actually in Cambodia, hopefully using the language, and I'm really excited about it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, giving it a thumbs up or leaving a comment really helps me out. Hit subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you soon from Cambodia.